Today I'm going to talk about our VeriFIT material and the thermo-adaptive properties of it. The great thing about the VeriFIT material is we can use a water bath. I like to put this around 160 degrees. What this does is this warms this up enough to make this completely malleable. This works really well to make a nice tight fit or a loose fit. You can literally change the shape of this completely if we were to do that. And we could run this under cold water. And it will literally keep its shape and forms. So even with this being completely misshapen, I can put this back into the water bath. And it'll take 30 seconds to a minute, but it will actually go back to its original state. If you do have a splint that fits a little loose or even a little bit tight in the mouth, what we can do is place this in the water bath for approximately 15 to 20 seconds. And that will warm this up just enough that we still have a little bit of flexibility here, and we can either go to the model or directly to the patient's mouth and seat this in. We can even squeeze the sides a little bit if needed to tighten this up. Make sure that this is passive, the passivity that you need. So I'll take that on and off, or again in the patient's mouth. And once we have the nice fit that we're looking for, I'll go ahead and run that under cold water. Basically let that set. Now, I have a perfectly adapted splint with the perfect retention.